Alrighty here. So this is a follow-up video lesson on Xbio. I realized I made a huge mistake, and my mistake was ignoring any catalyst or just honestly checking the news. Something very simple that you should do every single time. But I was really just trading this as a multi-day breakout, and I totally ignored the fact that they made damn near 50% of their market cap in that private placement at the market, so it wasn't too toxic. It was all in three. I think it was 330. I saw the number. But yeah, so I was talking about how biotechs usually burn through money, and these spikes usually lead to them doing some toxic financing or just any financing in general that tends to shoot it down. Besides having all this baggage comes from them doing all their nasty behind the scenes stuff and diluting shareholders. Um, and then, yeah, I just failed to see that wasn't going to happen because usually I would expect an after hours tank maybe, or maybe a gap down in the morning. Um, but if I knew uh, they just had got some money, I would certainly have not sold my whole position. If anything, I might have even added to it when it was holding back here, and then came back and reclaimed the um, close price. So that led to a solid, quick dollar move or so, and missed out on some money. But it was my mistake. I was not prepared. I did trade this. I was literally shopping with my girlfriend. I was at Forever 21 taking this trade, or Tilly's. Literally, I forgot. I literally don't know. But I was somewhere in the mall and decided this was a good opportunity. Should have checked the news. My fault for not being prepared. So can't get too mad about missing an extra. Let's see, close to $1,000. I doubt I would have sold right near the highs, but probably around six. I probably missed out on a solid $700. Um, yeah. So it is what it is. Certainly a good lesson to keep an eye on the news, um, and not just focus on the technical analysis of the trade. In that aspect, obviously, I can see how that's taken care of. Obviously, aided by hindsight now. But knowing, if I were to know that they came out with this 8K, where are we at? Yeah. Um, yeah. They made some good money. They got all these warrants and stuff, so people got some extra goodies, but it was not your typical super toxic financing um, that usually just shoots these type of plays down. So before I start repeating myself over and over, that was my mistake. Should have checked the news. And yeah, this probably will gap up. I am expecting a gap up because now we're getting into a year high breakout over the sixth level. Going back to 2019 ish here, so maybe I was right. Maybe it will end up touching 10, but we will see what happens. I butchered this trade, but still looking good. So, oh, I didn't answer this here. Okay, but yeah, that's that. So that sucks. Could have been more. Yeah, could have got me to 10K. It's okay. We got tomorrow. Ooh, that's gonna suck. That's gonna suck if tomorrow there's nothing and this play really could have got me to 10K. Okay, whatever. But yeah, there's XBIO. Good lesson. Be prepared. That's usually the lesson. Any mistake does happen from lack of preparation, and just your mindset not being there. So it is what it is. Tomorrow's the last day of the month and the last trading day of the week. So let's finish it strong. Maybe it offers a solid short squeeze if it fails to break down and we don't get the gap up and then just late day just rips. It is an 8 million float. But let's not speculate now. It is what it is. Got this solid move. And yeah, really the key was making most of the market cap in that private placement yesterday, and they rehashed it with the 8K today. So it's still on people's minds. Tomorrow, some more people might see that news. So yeah, done for the day. I don't think this is gonna really take off now. We only have 40 minutes left in after hours, but I will review it tomorrow. And yeah, just key takeaways: prepare, prepare, prepare. So and keep an eye on the news. So yeah, that's that.